when we started working on the film, when the scripts were being written, the discussion was to create a 3D new age version of Chhota Bheem, and the storyline needed a version which was more action driven. We started discussing if we can have a 3D stereo format for the film.
Well, the kind of project Kung Fu Dhamaka is, so it has a lot of action, lot of characters, there's a lot of different locations, there's a lot of crowds, and there's dances. So there's a lot of different variation of animation in this film. That's why the process was very different for different kind of shots, different kind of locations, different part of the movie. First process I would say was collecting reference or making references yourself. After getting the references, we did, of course, we do the layout and cameras and all. So after layout, we did blocking, and after we were happy with the blocking, we went ahead with the animation. Apart from general regular animation, like we had to, of course, focus very much on the acting and action. There were a lot of body secondaries like chotio, chutki and bandanas and cloth, and so those things also we had to keep in mind.
Golden Robot is part of the Green Gold Group.
Yeah.
The team in Hyderabad and in Kolkata actually worked together on the 2D visuals and the storyboards. We did most of the complete CGI animation and look dev, everything over here with the teams here. Binayak, who is the co-director along with Rajiv for the movie, is the guy who in fact drew Chhota Bheem, has been part of the Bheem journey from the beginning with Rajiv. So having him on board helped as well, because he knew exactly कि Bheem ये नहीं करता है, Bheem ये करता है. So I would say it has been a great team effort from both storyboard team, the directorial team, the animation and creative director here in Golden Robot, all put together to come up with this film. We are hoping that this attempt of ours to raise the bar of the kind of storytelling, the kind of action, the kind of visuals that goes into any other international global film, is that we can raise the bar of something like this even for an Indian film. The initial look dev took multiple iterations for us to arrive at the right character, which can look as close as possible to how the authentic original version, the 2D version, which is on TV is, and then look at enhancing and getting small little details to it so that the model looks more international. One of the most difficult challenges I think has been making a completely native 3D stereo film.
There's a lot of other fighters who they also go on a journey to save the princess. So they are there, and they are all from different parts of the world. So their animation, the way they act is little different. Somebody's Russian, somebody's from jungles. So they are very different kind of characters. Then we have Zuhu, and there's an army of Zuhu. So we have to handle a large amount of people in a single shots. That was a challenge. We had to see a lot of training videos. People who train for Kung Fu, how do they train, how are they from being naive, being the immature Kung Fu artists to very particular and experienced Kung Fu artists. Demons who are fighting over the cliffs, over the mountains, over the lava, and flying on dragons. Tell me about it. What doesn't sound challenging here?
And you see, like, the movies are totally action based, and apart from action, there is lots of sequences with different kind of locations, because they are going from one place to another place, and it's kind of a journey which these kids have done in the movie. So as far as the technical challenges are concerned, because there are lots of new elements in each and every sequence, so you can say those are the things which were really challenging.
We were very young in my age, and it was first movie for Golden Robot. So taking out references and train them to do the movie quality animation, so it was quite good. But they took challenges quite well, and when we see the result, so it is very nice.
Yeah, we had challenges like taking out references,
and working on different characters, animals, birds, especially the birds. The first 4 shots were really tough for me to work on. It was a big challenge in the whole action sequence and all that comes to kung fu and everything. We had to actually do the karate moves ourselves also in front of the camera and see how it works out, in live action and stuff like that.
Challenges were there, like when we did the climax sequence, it was the biggest challenge for us. So it was all many effects in that. So it was fully effects driven sequences. So we had faced big problems in that. This was the main challenge part for us.
It was challenging, but it was also good for us. It was a great experience doing that. Even stereo, as a stereoscopic movie, it has a different challenge in terms of 3D. You can't cheat or you can't do a lot of other stuff that you normally do in other 3D movies. So you have to be very perfect technically as well. You need to be sound. So that was definitely a challenge to do a stereoscopic movie.
There is a sequence when Bhim fights the demon inside him and realizes that you cannot win a difficult situation by using force against force. You need to find a way out, and that sequence, both visually as well as the way it is boarded, the way it is set dressed, the way it has been executed overall by the team from the beginning to the end, is my favorite scene. And the second one, of course, is the one which is we call our main big action sequence, is the sequence in the rain. Many of us feel that's the most challenging one because it was a heavy action sequence.
Well, my favorite was when Bhim, for the first time, he's asked to go into the woods and he's asked by his master to, in order to become a Kung Fu legend, you have to go into the woods and you have to go where there's a statue of Buddha over there. And that was a really fun sequence because he had to go on his own, alone, and he had to face challenges in the jungle, which only he could do it himself. So that was a really good fun to work on. My first 4 shots of the movie, those were challenging, plus it was a learning experience also, working on first stereoscopic camera. So that was my first experience.
The sequence where Bhim and the team rescue Kia, and there is a fight sequence between the main villain and these kids, and it's truly awesome because of the VFX done in this film.
During this song, this kitchen song is there. So that's a good song which is there on YouTube now.
I think my favorite would be where they change their costumes and they become circus costumes, and Kalia becomes a
lady, Alia.
a girl. Yeah, Kalia becomes Alia. So that's my favorite part.
It was fun. It was truly unique movie. Since we had been watching a lot of action films, this had been a great journey.
This, I guess, would be one of our most ambitious and challenging and satisfying project.
It's a dream project because when you have put so much time, dedication, hard work as a whole team, like all of us, you really want to see how it connects with the audience.